In this video, we'll learn how to install the ComfyUI interface on Windows, specifically for Nvidia GPUs. Let me first give a brief introduction. What is ComfyUI? ComfyUI is a graphical interface for running AI models like Stable Diffusion and Flux. Unlike traditional layer-based workflows, ComfyUI uses nodes. The workflow is similar to software like DaVinci Resolve. So if you've used DaVinci Resolve before, working with ComfyUI will feel more intuitive. This interface offers several advantages. Speed, it's faster than other graphical interfaces. Flexibility, thanks to its node-based design, it's highly versatile. Advanced features, many features available in ComfyUI aren't supported by other interfaces like Flux or Forge. For those who want to create images with professional precision and detail, ComfyUI is highly recommended. Now, let's dive into the installation process. Go to the ComfyUI page on GitHub. I've provided the link in the description. Scroll down to the Installing ComfyUI section and click on it. You'll be redirected to the installation guide. Click the link to download the latest version of ComfyUI. I've already downloaded it to save time. After downloading, extract the zip file's contents to your desired location. Open the extracted folder. ComfyUI requires at least one model to work. If you haven't downloaded any models yet, you can use websites like civitai.com to download one. Once downloaded, copy the model file to the following path in your ComfyUI directory. ComfyUI Models Checkpoints. Since I previously used other interfaces like Flux or Forge, I'll use the models I already have. If you've installed these interfaces before, you don't need to copy and paste models multiple times. Go to the root folder of ComfyUI. Look for a file named extramodelpaths.yaml.example. If you don't see file extensions, enable them. Click View in File Explorer, then select Show and enable file name extensions. Then, right-click on the file, choose Rename and remove .example from the file name. Press Enter. Right-click the file again and select Edit. If this option isn't available, open Notepad and drag the file into it. In the file, locate the base_path section. Replace the current path with your previous interface, like Forge. Make sure to replace backslashes with slashes in the path. Save the file. Now, run the Run Nvidia GPU.bat file. You'll see that the models are successfully loaded. Now let's test it. At first, you might not get the desired output, so you'll need to tweak the settings. In an upcoming video, I'll explain how to work with nodes and adjust the settings in ComfyUI to achieve the best quality and detail for your images.